Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/theramenrater and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, got something from Singapore. This is KOKA baked multigrain noodles. Five spiced duck flavor. How long does this one take? 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna go with 3. I've found that cups tend to need a little bit more patience. That's how I feel about it. So yeah. These are from the folks over in Singapore. Thank you very much. See, this lid's coming off better. The one that I used for getting the post ready didn't come off as easily, but this one did. Comes with an included fork for your pleasure. And we've got a dual sachet here. For easy handling, empty powder sachet before opening oil sachet. Words to live by. But these are different new. I mean, check that out. That's purplish. Store in a cool, dry place. These are good until, wow, 4/30 of 20. That's not a long shelf life. Interesting. But anyways, put that in there. There's our powder base. Yeah, there you go. We got the powder base. And here's our liquid component. And it got on my fingers. That's okay. It happens. And then we've got this one. This is the dehydrated vegetable sachet. Drop that on in. What's in here? Maybe some TVP? I don't know. We've got some stuff going on. For those of you who didn't know, TVP is textured vegetable protein. Basically, it's fake meat, but you can do a lot with textured protein. So 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna go for 3. 1, 2, 3, and boom on the timer. So yeah. God, what's going on today? We finally got our car back, and as it turns out, poor kid, her shoulder's been bugging her, and it started bugging her when the accident happened. Basically, the deal is, she was driving down a narrow street, somebody was coming up a narrow street. When they were about to pass, she realized that behind the car coming towards her was a large, it's a Suburban, if you're not familiar with it. It's a big American vehicle, pointed the opposite direction, being towed by a rope. And whoever was in control of that Suburban wasn't paying attention, or just, my way I look at it is probably they thought, oh, I see somebody coming this way, I've got to turn the wheel. And they probably turned the wheel not realizing, or not, it's like a mirror image, you know, you got to turn the wheel the opposite direction you normally would, right? So, yeah, it makes sense. But anyways, She stopped. She's honking on her horn. The one car is going this way, pulls the other car into our bumper. And when she was just like, that's what she tells me. She was just like totally jerked. And they think that there's a chance she has a, what do you call it? Like a hairline fracture in her shoulder or something. That's like, oh man. I tell you, my old lady, she just can't get a break. It's no fair. She's had since we've been together, she's gotten surgery a lot of times and dealt with a lot of pain, and it's just like, man. But hopefully they'll figure something out and she'll be able to be out of that soon. But yeah. Anyways. So we're gonna go, and she's gonna go get an x-ray this weekend, possibly today. And so I gotta take the car seats out. I haven't even been in the car yet. We got it, what? This is the 11th? I think we got the car back on the 8th. Yeah. But just dying to get out of the house, go do something in a vehicle, not, we've got a Honda Odyssey and it has heated seats. I guess that's like pretty common now, but it was nice. It's like, we got our car, what, in October? And then they made a deal with us to get a DVD player put in it for the kids. And then it took them like, 2 weeks to do that. And then the accident happened December 7th. So it's like, we've got a new car, and she said, it still smells like new car. But it's like, we really haven't had all that much time to, like, I guess what you would call bond with it, It sucks. Really sucks. Of course, we've had time to make car payments on it. Oh, you missed it. It's all done. Timer all done. Sorry. Microwave? I don't need the microwave. And then here the last one. Well, let's give it some stirring, because it's like, it just doesn't get done. Maybe there's something I'm missing on the instructions. Let me read the instructions aloud. Peel lid to half. Empty everything inside. Add 320 ml of boiling water up to the line. Close it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix well and serve. Oh, that's just in French. Okay, so I'm like, what am I doing wrong here? Because I'm sure these guys make some good stuff. They wouldn't make a product that's not gonna cook in the amount of time that they say it will. I'm stirring it well. This is five spiced duck, so I'm guessing it might have kind of like that braised kind of flavor to it, and a nice duckiness. I'm in the mood for some duckiness. Cheers. Pretty good. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. I've had a lot of different duck flavored things that I haven't liked, so getting one that I do like is important to me. I've had that's like over fake duck flavored. It's hard. I mean, I don't think there's any duck in this. I'll have to look at the ingredients. But, let's see. Now I'm curious. There's not going to be any duck in this. It's just going to be seasoning. Yeah. No. duck free. In fact, no. It's got purple corn in the noodle though. I was gonna use this bowl, but one thing about this bowl, unless it's like a beautiful sunny day and the sun is coming in, this ruins how noodles look. So I think I'm gonna go with, it's tough. Let's see. I'm gonna try that bowl. This one, yeah. I'm gonna try this here bowl. Bowl that the Red Chef people shot me over from Malaysia. How you guys doing? So, got a little coriander, and I think right in the middle here, this is going to be difficult. I know it's not a duck egg, but it's an egg. Let's see if we can get a nice little rotation on this. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go check out theramenraider.com and like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. It's been Noodles, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.